Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your hair curly. First, ensure your hair is clean and damp, as this provides the ideal foundation for curl formation. Next, distribute a quality curl-enhancing product throughout your hair, focusing on even coverage from the roots to the tips. This step is crucial for defining and holding your curls. Finally, select a curling technique that aligns with your hair's texture and the specific curl pattern you wish to achieve. For beautiful heatless curls, consider using flexi rods or foam rollers on damp hair before bed. Wake up to defined curls without any heat damage. Another simple method is braiding your damp hair into 2 or 3 sections. The tighter the braids, the more defined your waves will be. Alternatively, you can create pin curls by twisting small sections of hair and securing them close to your scalp, allowing them to set for several hours. When using heat to curl your hair, always begin by applying a high-quality heat protectant spray. This shields your strands from potential damage. Next, select a curling iron or wand with a barrel size between 1 inch and 1.5 inches, depending on your desired curl tightness. Take small sections of hair, wrap them around the barrel, and hold for 5 to 10 seconds before releasing. Remember to let the curls cool completely. To maintain your beautiful curls, avoid brushing them once they are dry, as this can lead to frizz and loss of definition. Instead, use your fingers to gently separate and reshape them. For second-day curls, a light mist of water mixed with a bit of curl-refreshing product can revive their bounce and shape. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your gorgeous, long-lasting curls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.